This air fryer brownie cupcake recipe is the perfect single-serve treat. It's rich, chocolatey, fudgy, and made with simple pantry ingredients. Mix together 4 tablespoons of light brown sugar and 2.5 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter. Then give it a quick mix. Then add 1 large egg yolk and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix again until smooth. Then sift in 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Dutch processed cocoa gives a deeper flavor and darker color, but any cocoa powder works. Then sift in 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour to keep the batter smooth with no lumps. Then give the brownie batter a gentle mix until the cocoa and flour are fully mixed in. The batter should look thick, dark, and smooth with no dry spots. Then add 1 tablespoon of semi-sweet chocolate chips and mix again just until they are spread through the batter. Then scoop the brownie cupcake batter into 1 or 2 muffin cups. I only had small muffin cups, so I used 2 and split the batter between them. Air fry the brownie cupcakes at 170 degrees Celsius or 340 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 16 minutes. They are done when the edges look set, but the middle still looks a little soft. These brownie cupcakes smell amazing and come out moist and super fudgy, with a soft middle that feels almost melty when they are still warm. If you liked these air fryer brownie cupcakes, you are going to love this super gooey and chocolatey air fryer brownie recipe here too. Check it out now!